Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Samantha if you're new here, and I go by Thrifty on a Dime on all social media platforms. On my channel I talk about different ways to make money part-time, full-time, or if you're just looking for some extra cash. So be sure you do hit that subscribe button before you leave. I'll be putting out all kinds of content for you guys. So today's video is going to be another unboxing. I got a box from another consignee on FLYP, the app called FLYP, which is FLYP. And I just wanted to go over some of the brands that I got in this box. I'm excited to share them. Some of them are a little bit higher end, and then some of them are just, you know, medium higher end items. So it's all going to be good cash, hopefully quick sales for me. So I'm going to go ahead and share what these items are with you guys. Okay, the first thing I noticed is she actually had all of this inside of a like laundry bag or something, which is nice so that it kept it protected. So she was thinking ahead. So this is a Theory blazer. It is a size 0, so it's a smaller size, but Theory is a good brand. And that's a nice blazer. It's in really good shape. And the thing I like about this consignee is she was very open about being a reseller. She was basically like, I'm trying to learn the brands. I like to shop. So she was like, I don't understand the market quite. And that's all she was wanting to do was sell some items and kind of figure out what to price items at. So I thought that was pretty cool. This next piece is a Rachel Roy pea coat. Looks like a belted pea coat, maybe. And it is in really good shape. It does have some pet fur and stuff on it, and it looks like some minor like stains or something, but they're gonna be able to wipe off, which is nice. So just a little bit of work on that piece. This next item is Benetton. I've heard of this brand, and I know it's a good brand, but I don't know how to pronounce it, and I have never gotten a piece by them before. So I'm pretty excited about this one. This is a really, really nice jacket, well, peacoat. And then Sanctuary. This is just like a lightweight cargo style jacket. This will be perfect for the spring, and it's in a mint green. And so mint green is a really nice color to get right now. Greens are in. Okay, so it does look like she just had this over the more nicer pieces. And I'm glad she did, because as I'm looking in the box, the whole bottom of the box is busted open. Okay, this next piece is Pinky Auto. Never heard of this brand, but I did a little research, and it looks like the comps are pretty high. And this looks like maybe a mini dress or a blouse. And as I'm looking at it, there is a very, very small stain on it. So I'm going to see if I can get that out. If not, I will let the consignee know. And then Hugo Boss, made in Italy. I've never got a Hugo Boss piece, but I heard it does really, really well. So I'm excited to get this men's item. And it's a really nice piece. And Basio. I've never heard of this blouse, but again, it just kind of came with a lot, so I don't think this was a higher end item. I just was looking forward to getting the other pieces by it. And this is a Joe's jean, and it's funny because this is how you know there's a staple in the tag, and that is usually a Salvation Army item. And these are just Joe's jeans. They're in really good shape. But again, some kind of like light stain, I can get that out. It's not like stained, I shouldn't say. It's like something was spilled on it, it appears. And Joe's jeans, again, aren't like super high end, but I'll get a good amount for them, maybe 20 to 30, depending on the style, maybe more. And this is J brand. And J brand falls along that line too. But these do look a little more wore than she was expecting. So I'm going to kind of show her this one, because this is the crotch area, and that does seem a little more for light wear. So I don't want her to be like, well, I needed this amount out of them, and it was so wore that I couldn't get that price. This is a Joe's jeans again. And these are more like a pull-on legging. And it's a cigarette wash. And a couple bags were in this lot. This is a Dooney and Burke set. It's got the little wristlet and then the purse along with it. So I will check over it and make sure that's authentic, because nope, this is not authentic. So I will let FLYP know, and she probably just didn't know since she's even admitted that she is trying to learn the brands. Next is this really nice purse. It's a cute, like, it's got characters all over it. I've never heard of the brand, but I did look this purse up, and it is selling online for about 80 bucks right now currently. And it was in really good shape. And I thought it was a unique piece to have. And then this last is a pair of Nike shoes. And no, it wasn't like an exciting pair of Nikes, but Nike do really well, so I knew I could sell them. Okay, that's everything in this lot. I should be able to get this up and listed really quickly, maybe a couple hours of work, and that's about it. And then as it sells, I will pay her half, and then I keep half. So with this lot, I bid it at 50% me, 50% her. And the reason why, there were some higher end items, but there were also some lower end items. So I didn't really want the lot, but I wanted it, if that makes sense. So I wasn't gonna sacrifice so much of my commission for it. So again, this is something I do on the side. This is just an easy way to get inventory online. It's shipped directly to you. You don't have to pay up front. And it's just consigning with FLYP. If you're interested, make sure you use my code Thrifty on a dime when you sign up and become a seller or a buyer with them. And, well, not buyer, but a seller or consigner with them. And yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions, reach out to me on Instagram or comment in the comments below. I hope that everybody has an awesome day. Thank you so much.